What if I tell you that it only takes 2 minutes to remove any watermark from your video? It doesn't matter which phone you're using. Let me show you. There are so many great apps that you can use to make quality video on your phone, such as Filmora, InVideo, VideoLeap, and PowerDirector. But the problem is, all of them has watermark on each side, and sometimes you don't have the resources yet to get rid of them by paying. But in 2023, you wouldn't believe how easy it is to get rid of them. First, if you have to go on Play Store or whatever app you use to download apps on your phone, you need to download Video Watermark. As you can see, I just created a video on PowerDirector, and as you can see, there is a watermark here. Guys, it's super easy. Watch this. You go on Video Watermark. You can either create your own or get a picture from your gallery. Guys, remember to subscribe for more awesome tips. So what I recommend is to create your own logo. But for this video, I will just get a random picture of John Cena because why not? And boom, there it is. Nobody will ever know, and it makes your video more professional with your own logo in the side. Guys, I hope you found that video useful. If you did, smash that like button and feel free to leave a comment down below. Until next time, thanks for watching.